Welcome back to the SRD YouTube channel. So today it's a little bit boring, but this is for Jamie P. We've got his car in at the moment and we've taken some really horrible corroded subframes out of his car and we've replaced it with beautiful, brand new, freshly powder coated, all new zinc plated bolts. So let's go and have a look underneath the car and I'll show you what we're getting up to this week. So Rob's just finishing up putting some drop links on the front of the car. So we'll look at the steering rack. The steering rack's all been reconditioned and are like brand new. It's got brand new lower arms on this car because the lower arms were absolutely crap. They were corroded and really rusty. Also, all the anti-roll bar has got brand new polyflex bushes in. And all the anti-roll bar's been powder coated as well. What else has we done? Oh, the aluminium subframe as well has all been blasted, so that's like brand new. Also, the rear metal subframe has been blasted and powder coated. We've also put new zinc plated bolts in every single component on this car. So the lower arms, top arms, just everything really. It's all been blasted, so it's looking really clean. So the front of the car is almost complete now. Let's move on to the back. So now we're on to the back of the car. I say it's looking really tidy. When we pulled the original subframes out of the car, it was quite scabby underneath here. So we've made sure we've wire wheeled everything. We've given it an epoxy primer and then an epoxy sealant underneath the car where the subframe would be. So that's going to last another 25 years. Let's have a look at the rear subframe. So again, zinc plated bolts, all the subframes been powder coated. We made sure we took the time to clean up the drive shafts as well. So they've all been cleaned up and nice and clean and painted. Yeah, again, rear anti-roll bar bushes, the D bushes, you know, new D bushes in there, silicone grease. What else have we done? Oh, the hubs, the rear hubs have all been cleaned and sorted out and epoxy primed and epoxy sealed as well. It's got new top arms on this car as well because they are starting to develop some play in the ball joint, so just taking precautions and done that. And what else has been done on it? Oh yeah, powder coated heat shield for the exhaust. And again, just all like brand spanking new underneath this car now. We're just waiting for the diff to come back and then we can put the diff in and put the car back together again. So new handbrake cables as well on this car. The other ones were pretty bad, and also the bolts, both the bolts snapped up inside the hub. So yeah, unfortunately, brand new handbrake cables on this one. So Jamie, you're going to have a big bill once this is finished. So whilst the vehicle is with us, we're also going to be doing an inlet manifold change. The car's been on a cable throttle body, and we're actually going to change it to a drive-by-wire. So now we've got the inlet manifold off and the new one going on. One thing I did forget to mention is, whilst we had all the subframes apart, we've done a full ARP stud conversion on all four wheels and all four hubs. So now it's got some really strong ARP studs. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you've all enjoyed this video. Please feel free to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one.